Just when you thought DJI had already perfected drones, here comes the DJI Flip, a foldable, pocket-sized sensation that's about to redefine portability. This exciting new drone is generating serious buzz, and leaks suggest it might even replace the Mini 5 in DJI's lineup. But what's got it flipping out? Inspired by the hugely successful DJI Neo, the Flip is making waves with its unique design, borrowing foldable elements from HoverAir's drones. While DJI's Mini series has seen foldable models before, the Flip takes it to a whole new level by folding its propellers downward, not inward. Intrigued? Let's dive into everything we know so far. A recent leak from the trusted DJI insider Jasper Ellens has provided a sneak peek of the upcoming DJI Flip, showcasing its innovative folding design that transforms it into an incredibly compact, possibly even pocket-sized drone. The design draws clear inspiration from the HoverAir X1, known for its simple, flying camera capabilities. While the exact details of the DJI Flip's camera setup remain unclear, a recent FCC filing has revealed some intriguing clues. This compact form marks a clear departure from DJI's usual foldable models, positioning the Flip as an ultra-portable option, potentially even more so than the DJI Mini series. Further leaks suggest that the Flip will feature propeller guards and larger, duct propellers, which could help reduce noise and enhance flight safety. These features would be perfect for a semi-autonomous selfie drone, providing both peace of mind and a quieter, smoother flying experience. On the tech side, the DJI Flip is generating a lot of excitement with some intriguing rumors. The drone is said to feature DJI's OQ-Sync 4 transmission system, ensuring seamless connectivity and compatibility with the latest DJI controllers. There's also speculation about advanced obstacle detection via LiDAR sensors, making the Flip more intelligent and responsive to its surroundings, which would be a significant upgrade for a drone of this size. Battery life seems to be another standout feature, with a 3,110 mAh battery expected to deliver longer flights compared to DJI's smaller drones like the Neo. This battery is notably larger than the 2,590 mAh cell found in the Mini 4 Pro. Rumors also point to the Flip sporting LiDAR-powered obstacle avoidance sensors and the latest OQ-Sync 4 transmission, making it compatible with DJI's RC2 and RC-N2 controllers. However, it's still unclear where the DJI Flip will land in DJI's lineup. While it's smaller and more portable than the Neo, it's also competing with the ultra-compact Mini series. As someone who owns a DJI Mini 3 Pro, I find it hard to predict where this new drone will fit. The Mini series is already lightweight, offering sub-250 grams models with greater freedom for pilots in certain regions. As always, more leaks are bound to come in, shedding more light on this curious little drone. It's tough to imagine how the DJI Mini series and DJI Flip could coexist in the same lineup. Unless, of course, the Flip is a more beginner-friendly option, similar to the DJI Spark, that sits below the Mini 4 Pro. Some reports suggest the Flip could replace the anticipated Mini 5 series, which might indicate that DJI is reorganizing its lineup to focus on innovation in both design and technology. This scenario could make sense, especially given DJI's focus on capturing the social content creator market. Much like the DJI Neo, the Flip seems geared for indoor flights and hovering around people, thanks to its propeller guards. It could serve as the perfect aerial selfie stick, with LiDAR-powered obstacle avoidance to ensure smooth, safe flights. Despite its compact design, the leaked image of the Flip reveals a gimbal-stabilized camera, meaning this isn't just a toy drone like the Rise Teo. While DJI hasn't officially revealed pricing or a release date, many expect the Flip to make its debut in early 2025, potentially at CES. One thing's for sure, the Flip's smart, stylish design makes it a likely candidate for travel bags everywhere by the summer of 2025. And that's everything we know so far about the DJI Flip. With its sleek, foldable design, advanced tech features, and potential to shake up the drone market, it's shaping up to be an exciting release. Whether it'll sit alongside the Mini series or replace it entirely remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure, DJI is making moves to innovate in a big way. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more updates as new leaks drop. What do you think of the DJI Flip? Will it become your next drone? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.